Ow.
Me. The more you push him away, the more he's gonna go to you.
Crazy.
I got this shit on camera.
Do it again.
Did he get something? He can only do it when he runs fast. Obviously, he's gonna do it. Look, he's probably. Oh my God! What a dumbass! Meow. He jumped before time. He's probably gonna go take a shit now since he's already shucking up. Meow, go! Go get him! Go get him!
Puppy.
Looks like you're back.
I was just being lazy.
Come on, Meow! Oh shit, I thought he was gonna jump up. You have to get him hyped up in order for him to go. Just kick him and make him. He's tired, look at him. He's like, fat bitch kicking me.
You should take him out to pieces.
Get off me then if you're so tired. I like fun puppies. When he bites you, he's so stupid. Look, he doesn't want to get off. Pussy.
He's like a trying to get up here.
You hear him growling at me? I'm done.